What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to download and install Google Chrome browser on your laptop or PC, and the process is quite simple. Without wasting much of your time, you want to quickly head over to your laptop, and on your laptop, first things first, you want to make sure that you're actually connected to the internet. Then proceed to open up any browser you can find on your laptop. In my case, I'll be using the Microsoft Edge browser over here. Now once the browser opens up, at the top search bar over here, you want to go ahead and just search for Google Chrome, and from the list of search results, you just want to go ahead and click on the first link over here, or you can just click on the Google Chrome browser, download Google Chrome. Just select that. Now at this point, you just want to go ahead and click on the download Google Chrome button over here. Basically, this website will automatically detect the version of Google Chrome that is fit for your laptop and automatically give you the download button for that specific version. As you can see, this is actually for Windows 11 and 10 64-bit. So you want to go ahead and just click on download Chrome. And from over here, you can literally see that at the top, the Google Chrome browser is already downloading into my laptop. Once it is done downloading and installing, all you just have to do is to go ahead and open it up directly from the top over here, or alternatively, if you can't find it from your downloads on your browser, you can go over to your files or your file explorer on your laptop and then just go over to downloads, and you should be able to find your newly downloaded Google Chrome browser. You can go ahead and open it up directly from here, or just open it up directly from the browser. Double click on it to proceed with the setup process for the Google Chrome browser. Now at this point, you're going to be asked whether you want this device to make some changes to your device. Just go ahead and click on yes. And now the Google Chrome browser is initializing on my laptop. Give it some few minutes to complete the download on your laptop. You also want to give it some few minutes and it will actually start installing the Google Chrome browser again. And once the installation is completed, you should be able to find the Google Chrome browser on your taskbar below your laptop. All you just have to do now is to go ahead and click on it. At this point, what you want to do is to go ahead and sign into the Google Chrome browser. So I'll just go ahead and click on the sign in button over here with my Gmail and my password. And just like so, you should be able to now use the Google Chrome browser on your laptop without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.